Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the next lecture in which we will study summary of chapter 8 Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Summary start करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को क्लियर कर दूं कि आप लोगों की बुक में सिर्फ दो ही पोएम्स हैं. The first one is Daffodils जिसको हम लोग स्टडी कर चुके हैं and the second one is Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में आप लोगों को समरी का 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आएगा. सो उसके लिए आप लोगों ने इन दोनों पोएम्स को डैफोडिल्स एंड द स्टॉपिंग बाय वुड्स ऑन अ स्नोई इवनिंग इन दोनों पोएम की समरी को अच्छे से याद करना है. इट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू बिकॉज सिर्फ दो ही पोएम्स हैं और इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक समरी आ सकती है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द समरी ऑफ द पोएम. द स्पीकर थिंक्स अबाउट हु ऑन्स द वुड्स that he or she is passing through and is fairly sure of knowing the landowner. However, the owner's home is far away in the village and thus he is physically incapable of seeing the speaker pause to watch the snowfall in the forest. The speaker thinks his or her horse must find it strange to stop so far from any signs of civilization. Indeed, they are surrounded only by the forest and a frozen lake on the longest night of the year. The horse shakes the bells on its harness as if asking if the speaker has made a mistake by stopping. The only other sound besides the ringing of these bells is that of the wind and falling snowflakes, which the speaker likens to the feathers of goose down. The speaker finds the woods very alluring, drawn both to their darkness and how vast and all-encompassing they seem. However, the speaker has obligations to fulfill elsewhere. Thus, though he or she would like to stay and rest, the speaker knows there are many more miles to go before that will be possible. Students, I hope that the summary will be clear to you. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture with the question answers of chapter 8. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.